Yeah. Today we are going to see this Power BI, how we are going to edit in Power BI app. Here Power BI is a data visualization application that's a concept like connect or transform or find insights into most pressing matters of your business, and it helps in sourcing your data and creating visual dashboards by using of this key performance indicators and reports. By editing the data as per your concern, you can collaborate or share or integrate your data easily across product documentations. And it also have a wide range of visualization, like including charts, tables, and maps, and it allows user to create interactive dashboards and reports. Here, Power BI is widely used for data analysis and the reporting and business intelligence, with a cut down risk of this misgovernment of data, or including when data is exported out of any of your any application and it proves worthy of use, right? So in this cases we are using this Power BI to compiling in the case of compressing your data with millions and billions of rows, and that may creating into the visualization as in the graphs or charts. Here this is of the Power BI desktop, how it will be, and where we are going to create and where we are going to create charts and the graphs. Here this is the outline of this Power BI, and the use of Power BI is it is mainly used to create visualized reports and the dashboards through which you can learn about your data. And uploading your report to the Power BI service, it enables you and your users to interact and track the report being used. And here we have some steps to create that and edit your reports and the dashboards. Here basic steps we have required. The first one is extract your data, and the next one is transform the data as required and change the relationship between the tables by using any of this Power Query. And we can also use this DAX to perform the calculations on your data. DAX is for data analysis expression. After getting your data ready, you can jump to your visualization, like adding of charts, graphs, cards, etc. And also we are having that option to add the location as maps. Here, clear? Yes. And create this edits within them to make your report look as more understandable to others. And upload your dashboard to the cloud, enabling your colleagues to access that dashboard and the report. Yeah, these are the 6 steps how we are going to extract the data and making charts or graphs, and comparing with the Power Query, and we are going to use these DAX functions for the calculations, and we are having these options to give access in the cloud to view your data or the dashboard or report to others. These are the 6 basic steps we require. And the next one is loading the data. The first one, how we are going to see, like how we are going to see this, how we are going to load your data. Let's start with your application by using of this loading of your data from the get option in the home tab. You can select for the following options, and we are having these files is like we are going to import some statistical of ms excel or csv or any other record formats. And we are having some databases. It can connect to several databases which may include mysql database, oracle, or sql server database. And we are having this direct to query. It can retrieve that desired data set by connecting to a data source without any importing before it doing, right? Yeah. And online services, it can connect to various online services. For example, Google Analytics, Salesforce, and the SharePoint. These are some of online services we are having that access to connect with the Google, and we are having this live connection. uh, and up to date we can have this live connection with a data source in real time, allow users to retrieve up to date. Yeah, this is what we have seen. Get data, we are having some common data sources: Excel workbook, Power BI data sets, data flows, data words, SQL server analysis services, and the data in format of text or CSV, or else you can directly import by using of this web data feed, blank query. We are having many of these options. Yeah, after the data gets loaded into your application, you can begin like you can transform your data or modeling your data as of your wish, and you can select that add new column for customize any options, or if you want to make your own calculated field column. Here having this for the first step, how we are going to see that here. The first step is select data from the three options of the left margin. Yes, select the data and then select to the new measure from the calculation section. You're having this calculation section in the navigation bar, and then we are going to select new measure. In that we are going to choose the new measure from the table tools. Yes, you're having right. If you want to create any measure, you can choose this, or if you want to create any new column by using of this, you can have to get access, like you can add this new column. Yeah, column. And how at what calculation you're going to use. Yes, we are having many and many of these fields to calculate your data. Yeah, measure, you can choose this. And the next one is Power Query. It is like used for transform data by performing tasks such as we are having this filtering, grouping, and pivoting. It helps to create calculated columns and measures by using the formula bar and the function. After the cleaning and transforming of your data, you can move to your making of your visualization. Like how we are going to like just select on the home from the top menu. Here seen we are going to see this, and we are having this. Yeah, this if you want to transform your data, you just choose this transform your data. Or else if you want to just uh, see like if you want to add, or if you want to change, if you want to do view, like preview of your data, transform of your data, you just have these all methods to access your data in the step 3. Yeah, next like when we are going to select the transform tab, it includes like if you want to add or delete, splitting of your data, changing data type functions, these many access will get in the transforming of your data. The add column tab provides the column addition and formatting the same. Here see, let's see here. Yeah, view is like display of your data. And the next one is like if you want to change any data, here having many options to change your data types. And if you want to close, you just close by saving of your file. Yeah, this is of DAX. And here we are having the DAX formulas to create calculated columns and the measures. And the next one is visualization of Power BI. How we are going to visualize this? This is what the visualization field. How we are going to visualize is we are going to select that any graphical representation or pie chart or what else it may be. That is depends on you. You just select and you just drag that fields into these columns and each and everything. If you want to make any function like sum or count, that is of you can select that, and we just make that into a graphical representation. If you want to add it like this, or if you want to give any legends or color formatting, text color size, background, each and everything will be given in the format visuals. You just change all those by using of this format visuals. Yes. And the dashboards in Power BI is like, we can make many of reports in a particular, for the doing of this particular data in the Power BI, making that every report together that can be in a meaningful insight. It should be a one of the meaningful dashboard. Yes. And you're having the types of reports in Power BI, like we can organize that embedded with using of website portals or apps. Yes. Yeah, this is what the dashboard, how by collecting of all reports together, that should be in a meaningful insight. We'll publish our dashboard to others, or will share our dashboard to others, will collaborate our dashboard to others. And here dashboards are only provided in the Power BI service, not in the Power BI desktop or Power BI mobile. We just have like, we can make that graphical representation in the Power BI desktop or the mobile by like as a dashboard, but we cannot publish, or we can't have any access to collaborate or share. Clear? Yes.